We'll guide you through how to install data packs in Minecraft 1.21. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Data packs can go and add things and change things in the game. They're much simpler to install than mods, making it even easier to go and use. So what we can do is there are many different ones we can go and get as well. If you already have a data pack, you can skip this first part of the video. To start with, I'll show you where you can go and get them from. To get started though, let's come out of the game. You don't need to go and fully close Minecraft, we can just go and minimize it. Now what we can do is start browsing for data packs. Open up a web browser of your choice like so. There are different sites you can go and get them from, but in this case I like to use a site called CurseForge. You can come here, come to curseforge.com. CurseForge does go and have other games on it, but we can select Minecraft and at the top press browse all. Then in browse by we can go and select data packs. So now we're just seeing data packs. What I like to do is sometimes sort them by popularity, just to go and see the most popular ones, as often they're going to be sort of some of the best ones out there, but not always. Now what we can do is go and choose one. The pack I want to get is this one here. It's called Simple Day Display. So what we can do is go and click on it, and what this will do is go and add in a day count. Pretty simple, but I think it's useful to go and have. It'll go and guide you through how it's going to work here, and then what you can do is go and press Files. Here we can then go and download it. We can go and see that it's for 1.21.5 at the top here, or 1.21. So we can press the dots to the right, then press download file. Shortly, it's going to go and start downloading. You'll have a countdown, and once that finishes, it will download like so. Before we get any further though, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. At the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice. So if you're interested, I'll put a link down below which you can go and check out. They've got so many great features like DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, meaning anytime you need support, you can go and get it with the live chat. Ultra latency, instant setup, a free subdomain, automated backups and much more. So if you're interested, check them out down below. But now to continue, what we need to do is decide if you want to do this with a new world or an existing one. If it's a new world, you can go and press create new folder, go to the top right and press more, and you then want to go and press data packs and press open pack folder at the bottom. What we can then do is drag and drop it in here and we'll be able to go and use it in the new world. Alternatively, if it's an existing world, find the world and you can select it and you can press edit, then press open world folder. You'll go and get your file explorer open up, find data packs and double click on it. And what we need to do is go and add in the data pack. So I'm going to go and drag and drop it in just like so. Then you can go and press save and we can then select the world. We'll go and press play selected world. And here we are. And as you can see, we can go and see the day in the middle at the bottom here. Of course, the data pack you've added may go and do something different. Some data packs are going to go and add in different tools, go and change the landscape amongst many other things. But that's it. That is how it can be done. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. And remember, if you want to go and start playing Minecraft with your friends, go and check out Apex and you can get started with a server there. I really appreciate you watching this video and I look forward to help you again in the future. Goodbye.